The hushed control room at the Space Telescope Science Institute in Baltimore crackled with an almost palpable energy. For weeks, the team had been poring over data from the James Webb Space Telescope, its infrared gaze piercing deeper into the cosmos than ever before. Tonight, Dr. Anya Sharma, a lead astrophysicist originally from Sydney, felt a prickling of unease mixed with exhilaration. A new anomaly had emerged in a distant nebula, something defying all known physics. Anya zoomed in on the panoramic display. What she saw made her breath catch. The cosmic phenomenon appeared to emerge from what looked like an immense storm cloud, shot through with flashing fire and surrounded by brilliant light. At its heart was a radiance so intense it seemed to pulse like burnished bronze in a furnace. Magnification on Sector Gamma 7, Anya commanded, her voice tight. As the image sharpened, gasps rippled through the room. 4 distinct living creatures materialized from the cosmic fire, each one magnificent and terrifying. They moved in perfect unison, their forms humanoid yet transcendent. Each creature bore 4 faces, one human, radiating wisdom and authority, one of a lion, fierce and majestic, one of an ox, powerful and steadfast, and one of an eagle, sharp and all-seeing. Their bodies gleamed like burnished bronze, and each had 4 wings, 2 stretched out touching the wings of the creatures beside them, 2 covering their bodies. But it was what accompanied them that truly defied comprehension. Beside each creature was a wheel, not mechanical, but alive, intersecting with another wheel at right angles, creating structures that could move in any direction without turning. The rims of these cosmic wheels were covered with what appeared to be eyes, countless points of consciousness that seemed to observe everything simultaneously. The energy readings, Dr. Chen whispered, his voice trembling. It's not just organized, it's intelligent, and those wheels, they're moving in perfect coordination with the creatures. Anya watched in awe as the beings moved like lightning, their wings creating a sound that the telescope's instruments somehow translated into data. A rushing like mighty waters, like the voice of the Almighty, like the tumult of an army. When they stopped, their wings lowered, and in profound silence seemed to emanate from the cosmic vision. Above the creatures stretched what appeared to be an expanse, crystal clear and awesome, and above that expanse was something like a throne, brilliant as sapphire. Upon the throne sat a figure with the appearance of a human, but from the waist up, glowing like gleaming amber surrounded by fire, and from the waist down, like fire itself. A rainbow-like radiance encircled this being, beautiful beyond description. Across the globe, news of the discovery sent shockwaves through both scientific and religious communities. The Webb team, led by Anya, meticulously documented every spectral analysis, every minute fluctuation in the phenomenon's energy. From their vantage point in the southern hemisphere, Australian news outlets buzzed with the profound implications of what their compatriot had discovered. Over the next few days, as more data poured in, the cosmic vision continued to manifest the precise details Ezekiel had recorded millennia ago. The wheels moved with the creatures, rising when they rose, for the spirit of the living creatures was in the wheels. The fire moved back and forth among the creatures, bright and powerful, with lightning flashing from it. It's exactly as Ezekiel described, Anya murmured, her scientific skepticism warring with the undeniable evidence before her. The storm wind from the north, the immense cloud with flashing lightning, the 4 living creatures, the wheels within wheels covered with eyes, the crystal expanse, the throne. The implications were staggering. Had the ancient prophets somehow witnessed this same cosmic phenomenon? Was this a manifestation that transcended time and space, appearing to both ancient seers and modern astronomers? The precision of Ezekiel's account, down to the smallest details now confirmed by humanity's most advanced technology, suggested something far beyond coincidence. Dr. Chen pulled up the biblical text on his tablet, reading aloud. This was the appearance of the likeness of the glory of the Lord. When I saw it, I fell face down, and I heard the voice of one speaking. Anya stared at the breathtaking image on her monitor, the digital representation of something that had been witnessed by human eyes over 2,500 years ago. The vision of Ezekiel, once relegated to the realm of mystical experience, was now a tangible reality captured by infrared sensors and quantum detectors. The discovery had not just expanded humanity's view of the universe, it had bridged the gap between ancient revelation and modern science, suggesting that the divine encounters recorded in Scripture might be far more literal, and far more cosmic, than anyone had dared imagine. The answers, Anya knew, were still light years away, but one thing had become crystal clear. The universe was far stranger, far more purposeful, and far more connected to humanity's spiritual heritage than science had ever conceived possible.